Good evening, everybody. So let us see what is the angel message for us. Look for a sign, compromise. I'll just randomly take opportunity. Okay. So, my dear friends, the messages coming from the divine, from the angels, are telling us that they are sending some positive signs for us, and we need to look out for them. Something good is definitely coming for everybody. Also, there is a need compromise, maybe in certain situations where we can, make a little bit of adjustments here and there, and work things out. That would be the best thing to do right now in at present situation. And in coming times, I can see good opportunities coming for everyone. Something that you have been desiring for a long time coming true, something that you have been wanting coming true, recovery, I can see good things coming in your favor. Yes, the time could be a bit difficult right now, but just have faith in the divine, have faith in your keep faith in yourself, and keep faith in those around you, because things, whatever is happening, it's temporary. Whatever difficulties that you're going through is temporary, and soon you will be blessed with good health, prosperity, success, and as I said, some good opportunities are coming for you. All right. If you need to seek help from others, do so. you know Sometimes we should just keep aside our egos, and if some work can be done by seeking help from people around us who are in the position to do so. So the angels are saying, then take that help. Don't bring your ego in between. Right now it's not the time to look into the ego. Right now you need to get your work done. Make that the priority. Let go. So let go of your fear. Let go of something that has been disturbing you for a long time, or let go of that person who could be disturbing you to move on, to move ahead in life. And very important is that these things don't make any sense if you don't believe in it. Only the day you will start believing in the power of the divine, in the power of angels, you know that there is another world out there, there miracles do happen, only then things are going to work. It's all about faith, it's all about prayers, it's all about being positive and living an optimistic life. It's not easy, but it's not difficult, it's not impossible, because even impossible has the hidden meaning of saying I'm possible, right? So you have to make things possible if you really wish to live a happy life. Otherwise, there will always be challenges, but it's just the, it's just how you see things. Good things are coming for you. I can feel it, I can sense it, that good things are coming for you. Recovery is there. Whatever problems that you're going through, soon there will be some good solution coming for you, provided you keep faith. And if not in, if you don't believe in what I say, at least I hope you believe in yourself, right? So just keep that faith in yourself. Just close your eyes, do meditation, at least keep telling yourself that it's all going to be okay, and it will, because positive thoughts work on your mind, And when your mind is positive, your brains gives signal to your body, other, you know, organs of your body, and your body starts functioning in that manner. So if you are happy, or if you are at least strong and positive, you will send out positive vibes, for positive energy to those around you. And if you do so, your energy will be shared with the person who might be in the need of some positive, source, you know, uh, maybe towards recovery. So please just trust in the divine. Believe me, this is just a phase, a difficult phase that you are going through, and soon things are going to be fine. So don't lose faith in the Lord. Don't lose faith in your prayers, because He is watching. The angels are with you 24 by 7. All right. So God bless you all, and have a beautiful week ahead. Rather, I should say, have a beautiful weekend ahead. Yeah. Bye. Take care. God bless.